Okay, join me as we unbox the latest addition to our lineup of gadgets, our small lineup of gadgets. Today we have the Insta360 ONE RS. This is the 4K edition, which means you just have a single lens. If you buy the bundle, I think you get an additional 360 lens. So this is the box. I'm not very familiar with the specifications, but it's an action camera. This is what they say better, so much better than the GoPro Hero 10. Alright, I bought it for 2,400 Hong Kong dollars, but they gave me a huge discount, and I think I got it for about $2,140 Hong Kong. All right, so that's about, I think, more or less $300 US. So let's get to it. I'll be using a random Swiss knife to unbox this thing. There. Get that out of the way, and they should come off easily. There we go. Wow, there it is. What's inside the box? We have the actual the main piece, which is what I understand modular, meaning you can take it off and replace the parts easily. I think it does that. Oh yeah, it does that. It's amazing. It's magnetic. Can you do that? Oh yes, you can do that. All right, so let's set that aside for now. And then you have the battery pack, which will last us about an hour of recording. Yeah, maybe I can buy accessories later on, but for now that's what the budget can afford. We have this guide. Let's take that off. This one is empty, nothing else here. All right, and then we have this one. Okay. I guess we have the USB-C to USB-A charger. And then what do we have here? Oh, the housing. Let's see what that does. Oh, very nice. So this allows you to attach it to a what do you call that? A selfie stick and other peripherals. So put that there, and these are okay. It's the screw to attach here. I think that would allow you to use it with a regular tripod. All right. What else? Startup guide, manuals. What else do we have here? Desiccant, a warranty card, and some stickers. Nice. And I think this is a microfiber cloth. All right, there you have it. The new Insta360 ONE RS. Looks neat. this. Wow. All right. That's one really handy action camera.